No.
Today we're going to be making Koolickles. If you don't know what a Koolickle is, you're not alone. Koolickles are Kool-Aid soaked pickles.
Kool-Aid soaked pickles.
Which sounds really gross, but I've heard that they're kind of good, and they have this weird like cult following both online and in certain parts of the country, specifically the Mississippi Delta region in the United States, or at least that's what I read online.
I hate it.
I'm not as excited as I was before.
I'm going to be following a recipe that I got from Serious Eats. So all you need to make Koolickles are, of course, Kool-Aid, pickles, and sugar. The process is pretty simple and straightforward. You just take the brine out of the pickles, so you drain all the juice from the pickle jar. You then add your Kool-Aid of choice with a cup of sugar, and then you just let it sit for like 3, 5, or 7 days, depending on how strong you want that Kool-Aid flavor to be. So I'm gonna let mine sit for probably 5 days, so that I can bring them to the office and see what people think. Okay, Koolickles ready to go in the fridge for about 5 days, and I think I'm also going to be flipping them so that the Kool-Aid gets into all the pickles, and you can already kind of see that they're already absorbing the color, which is awesome. So I'll see you in 5 days with grape and cherry pickles. It's definitely an experiment, so we'll see. Caroline?
Yes?
What did I bring in today?
You brought pickles with Kool-Aid.
I am so excited to make my coworkers eat Koolickles today, and I have a feeling they might like them.
I have a good feeling about this.
Okay, well, they're in here. I don't look like beets. This is weird. Here we go. Dip it in, get it nice and juicy. It smells like cherry medicine now. No. No. Oh God. It doesn't. That wasn't good. So the first bite, it's like a cherry medicine flavor, like squirting in your mouth, and it's like really juicy. And now it's like just like a regular pickle aftertaste. So it gets better as you chew. But it's like in the back of my throat, like the flavor is not good.
I have never liked pickles. I hate them on anything. You can taste them right away. Relish is okay, but pickles, eating just pickles or pickle slices on anything, that gross vinegary juice that even is on there, you take them off, you can still taste the pickles. I hate that so much. I hate them so much. I hate when you get that pickle wedge next to your fries, because all the fries that are touching it are ruined. That's how much I hate pickles.
And how do you feel about Kool-Aid?
It's fine. Oh, gross. Those are red. This looks so gross. Ugh. I can smell it and they're not even opened. No way, I think the red ones look the most disgusting. Ew. So sick, bro. I mean, it looks so unnatural. Oh, and it's like a greenish red on top. That smells so weird. Right? Like pickles and cough syrup. Right? Did you already make that observation? I hate it. I hate how this smells. You want me to eat it now? All right, do it. Whoa! Nope. That sucks. That's not even like remotely good. Who wants this? Let's try the next one. Grape and pickles. Never in my life have I seen like grapes and pickles, relish and grapes. Oh, wait, what the? That one's way worse. Give me something. Blech. I hated
Drink
it.
the juice.
What?
You wouldn't drink the juice.
No, I wouldn't drink the juice, would you?
Possibly.
Really?
Yeah.
Go take a sip.
Yeah, come here, take a sip. We'll take a.
From the can?
Yeah, we'll take a sip together. I'll go this one, you go the other one.
Oh god.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, let's try it. Cheers. Oh, that's so gross.
It's like Kool-Aid gone bad.
I'm a little surprised at the like extremely negative reactions that I'm getting. So let's try it. Can I see a world in which someone would like this? Yeah. Do I like this? No. Caroline said it gets better, but I think it gets worse. I think it's gonna give me heartburn. It's pretty on the inside though.
No.
Surprisingly enough, we did find one person wandering around the office who had tried Koolickles before. And he liked them.
Oh, that's good. It literally tastes like a popsicle, but like pickle popsicle.
Have you ever heard of a Koolickle before? Mm-hmm. You have?
Yeah, I've seen them before.
Where?
Atlanta. I actually had one when I was in Atlanta, but these are better.
Overall, it's a no-go. The best part of this experience clearly has been making other people try them.